Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove your mobile games from Game Launcher on your Android phone. So first of all, what you will need to do is you will need to obviously head over to Game Launcher, and as you can see, all of my games are stored within Game Launcher. You can't actually see them on the home page. So to remove these, what I will do is I will come to the More option in the bottom right hand corner, click on More. I will then click on the settings option, and then once I click on the settings option, as you can see, there will now be an option for show game apps. Click on this, and then now you can choose for in-game launcher and the home and app screen, or in-game launcher only. So for this example here, we will click on the home and app screens. Once I do this, if I go back, as you can see, Call of Duty Mobile is listed there, but if I go back to my home screen and just scroll all the way over to the end, as you can see, all my games are now listed on my home and app screen. So it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.